Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to fix high memory RAM and CPU usage in Windows 11 computer. So if you notice your apps games are slow, freezing, or you are noticing a lot of crashes on your computer or laptop, today we will be resolving such issues in this tutorial. So let's go ahead. So let's start up from our first method. You should left click on the search button and type Registry Editor. Here it is. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. If you see user account control prompt, click on yes. So once you reach registry editor, I would recommend you to take backup for it. If anything goes wrong, you can take backup from this file option here and click on export and save the files on the destination you want. Click on save. So our backup has been created. So you can import it back from this file option here. Here the option is available. So the first step is that you should left click on this hp_local_machine, and under this folder you can see there is a system folder. Again left click on it, and under system folder you can see there is a folder named control set 001. Again left click on it, and under this folder you can see services folder. Left click on it and search for a folder named NDU. Scroll down. Here it is. Once you click on it, on the right side you can see there is a startup file. You have to double click on it and change its value data. If it's 2, change it to 4 and click on OK and close the registry editor. After that you should restart your system and hopefully it will improve the performance of your computer and should be using less system resources. So let's move forward to our second method. Something else you can try to improve memory or RAM usage is that again go to the search menu here and type for services. Left click on it. Once you open up services, scroll down and search for sysmain service. Here it is. If it's running, you should right click on it. So it's already stopped. So that's good. If it's running on your system, it should be stopped. So let's move to our third method. You can again go to the search menu and search for task manager. Left click on it. Once you open the task manager, select the startup tab here. There is startup apps, and disable all those apps which you do not need once your computer is starting. For example, Adobe Reader, etc. But do not turn off the applications like antivirus. You can enable or disable the apps from here. So talking about the applications, you can again go to the search menu and search for, or you can go to settings, right click, go to settings. On the left side you can see there is an option apps. Under options there is a tab installed apps. Left click on it. Here you will see a list of installed apps on your computer. You can uninstall those apps which you do not want. So, and it's also a good way to clean up the system resources. So you can also try out something else as well. You can again go to the search menu and search for disk cleanup. Here it is. Again left click on it and select the drive you want to clean up. I am selecting new volume F. Okay. And it's asking me to choose the files to delete. So I want to delete these files. Click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, delete files. So wait for it while it's cleaning up the disk. Wait for it. So while it's cleaning up, you can try something else as well. That is, go to again search menu and type disk defrag and optimize drives. Left click on it and select the drive you want to optimize. So let's say I want to optimize this drive. Once you click this, click on the optimize button. So optimized. You can optimize all the drives and it should surely improve the performance of your computer. So once you are done with all these methods, you can go to search menu and open command prompt. Left click on it. Okay, you can again open the command prompt and right click on it and choose run as administrator. And here you can type sfc followed by a / scan now and wait for it while the system scan is in progress. It's also a time taking process, so be patient for it. So once the verification of the system scan is done and you are done with all these methods, you should definitely notice improvement in your system performance. So that's all guys from my side. Hopefully you understood all those methods, that how you can fix high memory, RAM or CPU usage in your Windows 11 computer. So take care, goodbye, and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.